Good Saturday morning. This is Storm teammate meteorologist Zach Duham on what will be a very stormy evening. We haven't had much weather to talk about in, I feel like, months. And severe weather, I believe July 3rd was the last time we had some widespread issues. Now is over 2 months ago, but guess what? The threat comes back today. A level 2 out of 5 in the yellow shading far western third of Connecticut with hail, flooding, damaging winds, and this time a tornado threat. It's not a great one. So it's a low, but not zero for this western, about 2/3 of Connecticut. Watching some of the latest guidance early this morning, we have to watch for some storms that try to rotate, and if they rotate fast enough and strong enough, they could produce a tornado or two. I think the best chance would be from Windsor-Locks to Litchfield County up towards Springfield and the Berkshires, but even Waterbury, Meriden, Danbury, even down closer to the shoreline, we have to watch it closely. Steve's here this evening to get us through the storm. So let's time this hour by hour out very slowly to pick out your town. Again, this is a depiction of what may happen. Doesn't mean the exact timing or placement will be perfect, but it gives you a general idea. So 7 o'clock, clouds, some sun, also some smoke in the air this morning, a high level smoke, so that murky sky. Now the question is, how fast do the clouds clear? The longer it takes to clear, usually the less severe the storms are. That would be the good news. If we get a lot of sun, that usually is not good. We have more destabilization happening. 10:30, 11 o'clock, temps on either side of 80. Warm, humid, breezy south wind pumping in all the instability. And as early as 12, 1 o'clock, watch how things start popping up. 1:30, Waterbury up towards Worcester, Mass, down towards Stamford. A couple random storms, but I think it's 2, 3 o'clock. We have to watch that line form. But ahead of that line, see that storm near Windsor-Locks? That's where a storm could rotate. And watch how quickly by 2, 3, 4 o'clock this line develops. Windsor-Locks to Waterbury, North Stamford or Bridgeport, a nasty line crossing the state from northwest to southeast slowly. 5, 6 o'clock, Hartford and New Haven. It should be weakening at this time, but strong or severe storms still possible. Then it crossed the state by 7, 8 o'clock. It's winding down. It may clear up a little bit 8, 9, 10 o'clock. Then we have some regular rain, some even heavy rain coming in. Much cooler from 80s to 60s tomorrow morning, and it stays mainly in the 60s for tomorrow with rain through mid-morning at least. How much rain? Anywhere from a couple tenths of an inch to well over a couple of inches of rain, so localized flooding can't be ruled out. Could be pretty nasty in some towns. Again, damaging winds, flooding rain, hail possible, even some rotating storms. A tornado warning or two cannot be ruled out today. Take any watches and warnings seriously. Remember, a watch means conditions are favorable for severe weather. A warning means they are happening or will happen soon. So today's forecast: warm, humid, breezy, severe storms about 2 to 8 p.m. Temps in the 80s. Very summer-like today. 60s with early storms, some rain lingering. And the 8-day forecast, very stormy today in the afternoon. Take any warning seriously. A tornado warning cannot be ruled out, especially in western Connecticut. Steve will be here to track that out. Rainy at times tomorrow morning, much cooler. 80s today, 70-ish tomorrow. Going to feel like the 60s with the wind. Sunny seasonable Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Could be a couple showers possible in a couple towns, especially at the shoreline. We're just going to call it cloudy for now, turning cooler but nice later in the forecast. Again, about 2 to 8 p.m., the main time for severe weather. We'll have your back online, on air all day long. Be safe.